Usimchukue kwanza. Simama.
The gentleman tried to open a door of one of our police officer, a lady officer, and the lady officer screamed, and this gentleman ran away. He's called Vincent Kibet. He's 40 years old. And then while he was running away, seemingly he picked some clothes from the cloth line. So it's like he was naked. So we don't know the intention. Probably he had an intention to rape this lady, but we are not sure. We will do thorough investigation to understand the reason behind him going to the house of this lady officer. So that is why he was arrested, and he's been taken to Kabarnet police station, and he'll be taken to court tomorrow because of course stealing, and we also want to try and see if he can be charged for attempted rape because he was trying to enter into the house of this lady naked. So we are pursuing that, and investigations are ongoing to establish why he came at night around midnight and wanted to enter into the house of this lady officer while naked. So that is what happened this morning. Probably that is a hardened criminal, because we don't expect such a normal person to come into the police station thinking of having an intention to rape. That would be a very bad criminal, and we are not taking it lightly. We are going to pursue it to ensure that he gets what he deserves.